Let me pattern the wardrobe. White tee, fresh crepe, pose for the photo.
Hi guys, and welcome to a new DIY by Millsyldn. So today I'm going to start editing some shorts. These are a pair that I wear indoors. Also, I'll be adding some pockets with the scrap fabric, which was the remaining of the leg that got cut off. I'm making a DIY inseam pocket, so the main thing I had to do was just make sure that the lip of the new pocket and the slit I created for the pocket lined up, and then you kind of just sew the outer pocket itself. On the next pair of trousers that is going to be DIY'd, I'm also going to cut the leg length of this. Once it's sewn on, you can like pull it down and then roll it up to kind of however you want your cuff to be.